Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Muhammad Naufal Haziq Abdul Hadi. For this Heritage Design Study project, our group focused on revitalizing the Gasing as a cultural icon. My primary role was as the user analysis specialist. I was responsible for the empathize and define phase, which involved conducting field research, interviewing traditional Gasing artisan, and observing how modern users interact with mechanical toy to understand why interest in this heritage game has declined. Through this project, I learned that effective industrial design must be rooted in deep empathy for the user. I realized that heritage preservation is not just about the object itself, but about understanding the human experience associated with it. The design thinking process taught me that by observing real world interaction, we can identify specific pain points that prevent modern generation from engaging with traditional heritage, allowing us to create more relevant solutions. My contribution was centered on mapping the user journey and identifying key barriers to adoption. I conduct qualitative interview to gather insight into gasing anatomy and balance, and perform observational studies on children to see how they engage with mechanical play. These findings were crucial in helping our team identify the skill barrier as the main issue, which eventually led to our proposal for an ergonomic launcher system. The greatest challenge I faced was translating complex, traditional knowledge from the artisan into actionable design data. Some of the techniques used by experts are intuitive and difficult to describe in words. I overcame this by documenting the session thoroughly and cross-referencing them with user feedback, ensuring that our final design proposal remained authentic to traditional mechanic while being accessible to novices. This project has fundamentally changed how I view the role of a designer in cultural preservation. I now understand that design is a powerful tool to bridge the gap between generations. By focusing on user need and removing barrier to entry, we can make heritage game feel fun and relevant again, ensuring that our cultural identity continue to thrive in the modern age.